You deserve the glory and the honor. Lord, we lift our hands and worship as we bless your holy name. You deserve the glory and the honor. Lord, we lift our hands and worship and we bless your holy name. You are great. And there is no one else like you. Just keep it simple like that. There is no one like you. Yeah. Welcome once again to Chords Music. Today I have a passing chord for you once again. So this is how the passing chord goes. Okay. Right. Yeah, so this passing chord helps you to land on the 2, on your 2. Yeah, so we are on the key of C, right? So C, D will be your 2, right? So this will be the 2 minor, alright? So whether you're coming from 4 to the 2, you can use this passing chord, maybe 6 or 6 to the 2 or 3 to the 2, you know. Yeah, you can use this chord. This passing chord. Yeah. So before I do that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please just click on the subscribe button. Make sure you comment, you share, and you like. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is the first chord. This is F major 7 flat 5. You know, F major 7 flat 5. So it's just an inversion. Yeah. So we have F, we have B, we have E, and we have A, right? And the next chord is E minor. E minor 7th. This is E, A, D, G, right? The next chord is E flat minor 7th. So we have E flat, we have A flat, we have C sharp, and we have F sharp. Yeah. Okay, in the next chord we have D minor, D, A, D, and then F. And then the next chord, the last chord, will be G diminished 7th. So we have C sharp on your left, we have G, we have B flat, C sharp, and we have E, right? Then to your 2, which is your D minor. Right? So let's take it slowly. So this, after we have this, after we have then you get it. So right. So any song which you are moving from any chord to your 2, you can use this passing chord. So I use the song "You Deserve the Glory and the Honor," so that Lord we lift our hands and worship as we bless your holy name. So you deserve the glory and the honor. Then Lord, we lift our hands. You get it? Yeah. I see. Bless your holy name. Again, let's go again. You deserve and the honor. Lord, we lift our hands and worship and bless your holy. You are great. Like you. Oh, I love like you. Are you one? There is no one else. Let's go again. You deserve the glory. Let's go together. You deserve the glory. 6 and the then sorry and the honor. Lord, we lift our hands. You get it? You deserve the glory. Again. And the 6, then da 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 da, like we lift. You get it? You the honor. We lift hands. Yeah. So that's it. Make sure you comment, you like. If you have any question, you can ask. If you have any suggestion, you can ask. Okay, so thank you very much. Catch you up in the next video. Bye.